Meaning of legal proceedings.
Legal proceedings.
Legal proceedings.
Legal proceedings.
Legal proceedings. Legal proceedings refers to the formal process of resolving a dispute or enforcing a legal right through the court system. It involves initiating a legal action, such as filing a lawsuit, and following all the legal procedures that apply to the specific case. Legal proceedings can be civil or criminal in nature and may involve various stages, such as discovery, trial, and appeal. The goal of legal proceedings is to seek justice and resolve disputes in a fair and orderly manner according to the law.